So I'm just gonna talk about a few things. That is, I found that in society, like you have to do a lot of things, right? You have to act a certain way to fit in into society and be like them. It honestly just makes it really sad because they'll keep saying that you have to face reality, but it's like far from reality, to be honest. It doesn't seem real to me. Like working in a job for so many hours, I don't find interest into that stuff. I don't know who would naturally even find interest in that stuff. And like, if you're gonna start complaining about these stuff and you're comparing your life to others just because it's not the way that it's supposed to be, it just sounds like it's weird. You're just gonna be like complaining about it and you're gonna just sound like you're childish about these things. But I'm not being childish. I'm just asking questions that I'm getting every day. And nobody's there to answer them, at least most part. Because, well, I don't have any problems with nobody really caring about me, but at the same time, I care about people caring about me, and I'll just keep on looping that same thought process over and over. And it seems to just never end. Honestly, I have no clue. I'm just gonna start recording myself just because I feel like. Why not? There's no script, it's just me talking to you, a random person on YouTube watching me. You know, we all have expectations of ourselves, who we're gonna be, and what we want to accomplish in our life. But, you know, when you're working in society and you're watching others, you cannot help but keep complaining that why your life is the way it is and how you're comparing about on different aspects of life that you don't have the wealth, you don't have the looks, you don't have certain things. When you're in a good mood, you realize that all these things do not really matter, to be honest. And most people wouldn't even care about if you own a Lamborghini or not, right? I mean, you wouldn't care about it too. You probably watch somebody having a Lamborghini and they're just driving it, different places, and you can't help but think to yourself, maybe if I owned that shit, I would have been really cool, right? I would have looked cooler, I would have had friends, and naturally everybody would have paid me respect and would have, wanted to talk with me. But I don't think that would even change, even if you had a Lamborghini to begin with, because it's the personality that matters. But I cannot help myself but keep thinking about that. These people have everything figured out. What am I doing with my life? Why don't I have everything figured out? And why do I like keep jumping from different things to that? If somebody's telling me that you need to do this job, this is how everybody has gone through life. Why can I just not complain about this? Right? And I'm pretty sure that this is the only way that I'm can like even talk with, I can open up and just record myself having these thoughts. I have so many thoughts. There's a lot of things that we have to talk about. And especially this age, we're like super confused on what we're supposed to be doing. And like we try different things. We try to hang out with so many other people. Some of these people might not be the best people that you must be around with. And you figure out that this type of job that you were aiming was going to be good for you is not really the best option. So like we're trying to figure out everything. But like I believe that it does not have to be like perfect. You just have to believe in yourself. And I'm pretty sure most of your problems are like temporary, as to what I've been told by everybody else. Some of my issues that I faced in high school were temporary as well. Nowadays, nobody really seems to care about others. And I'm pretty sure that what I'm facing right now is also temporary. I know it's going to be hard, especially for working in the corporate sector where there are so many people. You can just feel their energy, right? And like many people will tell you that you have to like get around with people, interact with people, connect with certain people in your work area environment. But honestly, something just feels off. You try your best to just, stay positive wherever you work, but there's just something. There's like a dissonance in the room, and you cannot seem to like connect with others, no matter how hard you try. Maybe it's because you have some interest that those people might not be interested in. So it just feels like that you're just faking yourself just to fit in. And the more you fake yourself, the more you're neglecting yourself. And at the end of the day, it'll come to bite you. That's just the truth. You'll be sitting on a random day. You'll just realize that, man, I've been living my life on autopilot mode. I'm not doing what I'm supposed to be doing, right? These people are telling me, man, you should be doing that. You should be doing that, all right? This is going to make your life 1,000 times better. You should be productive. Well, there's a problem with that thing too. You're going to feel like, okay, well, people are telling me that I should be having all of these things right now at this age, at this certain time. What's going to happen if I didn't have all of these things right now? Nothing will. I'm going to be too focused on utilizing myself and all these things that people are telling me to get. And once I get them, I think I'm not going to be satisfied after achieving all these things that people are talking about. Because we've not really addressed the situation we're facing right now. It just never seems to feel like that you've fixed yourself. It's like you're just not really, healing your wounds. You're just putting bandages on like a wound that's like really deep. It's not gonna work. Maybe that wound is so deep that you're gonna bleed to death, right? You have to take care of yourselves. So I think everything's going as planned. Maybe not planned. Let's just not say that it's planned, because I've heard a lot of people say that your life is just planned, and all that kind of religious talk. But I'm not religious myself. But honestly, that's just what I wanted to talk about. I've been feeling low myself lately too, and I just wanted to talk about certain, different things that I wanted to get off my chest. And I feel a bit better, but of course it's not going to fix my thing. And to whoever right now that listened to the entire thing, thank you so much. I really appreciate that. This is like my first video I'm uploading on my channel with my voice. So that's honestly really something that I haven't tried before. And I kept saying to myself, I'm gonna do it, but I just never did that. But I think it's not that bad, man. At the end, like everybody else says, you all have a good one, all right? You're gonna make it. I believe in you, all right? All right, let's go. Let's stay positive, everyone.